Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new collection on my fucking hands, bitch. Today I'm reviewing the full Into the Limelight collection from Colourpop. This launches on Thursday, March 10th. If you're watching this in the present tense, this Thursday upcoming. I'm so excited. Let's just get right into the video. Oh my god, okay you guys, so I do have a little breakout. Usually I never get any breakouts or any like acne or nothing like that, so ignore that. I'm not used to that and I'm gonna try to cover it. I'm so fucking excited. So Colourpop sent me over their new collection, bitch. Okay, I didn't even expect this because usually like I don't know, like I just got on this PR list. I didn't even know like how frequently they send their packages. You guys, this is like a week later after they sent the other one. So I'm just shook at how fast this came. But OMG. This is the new Colourpop Into the Limelight collection. I'm obsessed. This is so fucking cute. It gives me very much like spring Hawaii vibes. I'm obsessed. This does come with a Limelight palette, Jelly Much eyeshadows, and their color sticks. So we have the Into the Limelight palette. These palettes are so fucking cute. I used to collect Colourpop palettes, so I'm like happy that I'm getting a collection again. OMG, they are so beautiful. Of course, I'm gonna have swatches on the screen. This is how the palette looks. This is a 9-pan eyeshadow. They did gift me 3 of their Jelly Much shadows, which is more of like a creamy liquid base, but they are so pigmented, you guys. Like I actually remember using these before, like even when it wasn't this collection, like kind of when they just dropped like the jelly eyeshadows, and I actually really loved them. I know it looks interesting in the component because they are jelly and it might look weird because they're like wet, but these are fire, you guys. Like I remember using like when they came out with their butterfly collections and all that. Last but not least, they gifted me their color sticks. These are I have used these formulas before. These are like little stick crayons that you can use for your eyeshadow. You can use them for your waterline. When they came out with that Powerpuff Girl collection, I actually purchased the entire collab because I wanted to do my YouTube video, and I did, and you guys loved that video. But it came with 3 color sticks in that Powerpuff Girl collection, so I already know how these work and I am obsessed with the formula. They are so easy to use. So they are very much like a crayon color stick. I did use them, so don't judge. So my eyes are primed already. I'm gonna go right into the palette. I'm gonna dip into the shade Debut. I love this tone. It's very much like pinky but also neutral. This is a good transition shade for sure. Taking a much smaller blending brush, and I'm going into the shade Layout, this to the outer corners and then just blending it into the crease. This is giving me like brown espresso mixed with like army green. You know that army green that like everyone wore at one point? I'm taking my Jelly Much shadow in the shade Heartthrob. This is very much slime green, which is what I'm going for, but taking a flat brush to apply the jelly shadow. These are extremely pigmented, so you only need a little bit. Honestly, this will last you a while if you love to do like colorful looks. Highly recommend. Bitch, I'm fucking crying because I'm obsessed with this Jelly Much shadow. Oh my god, it looks so bomb. Definitely giving me like Neon Tropics, which is my fucking favorite. I love anything like tropical, Hawaiian, anything like that that gives me like that vibe. It just puts me at peace because I love that type of weather and I love like that type of vacation mode. So I am living. I'm gonna do my foundation really quick and then we'll finish off the eye look. Okay, bitch, this is the look. This is my full face. If you want to know all the details for my full face, everything will be linked in the description, but I also did a whole mess of TikToks, so go follow me on TikTok if you haven't already. That's where I post like little details about every little crevice of my face. Before I go any further, I'm gonna throw on my eyelashes. Okay, you guys, I threw on my lashes. These are in the style No Drama from Her Name Studios. You can use my code BREE on anything link from hernamestudios.com. A little lip liner. This is from LA Girl. This is in Keep It Spicy. And then over top, I did go over with Moody Peach from NYX Cosmetics. This is Milky Glow. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I am actually really into it. I wasn't sure how my feelings were gonna be coming into this new collection, only because I'm not like a huge fan of like one dedicated color story, but I'm actually really impressed. Like, I would totally buy this if they launched it and they didn't send it to me, because it's really fucking cute and I'm actually living for the slime green moment. I get excited for anything in this collection, it would for sure be the Jelly Mud shadows. They don't normally launch these anymore like individually, they're usually like in collaboration collections. So if there's anything to get, I would recommend these and the shadow sticks. The shadow sticks are fire. I am so here for this look. I can't stop looking at it. Thank you so much, Colourpop, for sending this over to me. I'm very excited that I got this before the fucking launch. This launches on the 10th, so that is this Thursday. By the time this is up, it should be coming up in the next couple days. All this after, it's already live. I can't stop looking at it. I'm obsessed. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.